Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Baihaki bin Ahmad Fuad and my registration number is 01DPU23F1007. And now I want to tell you about introduction district cooling. District cooling is an advanced and efficient cooling system that provides chilled water from a central plant to a network of buildings. Rather than each building having its own air conditioning system, the chiller water produced by the central plant is distributed through a network of insulated underground pipes. The building uses this chilled water to absorb heat from the indoor air, providing cooling for the entire area. This system is more energy efficiency and environmentally friendly than traditional air conditioning because it reduces energy consumption, minimizes the need for individual cooling units, and lowers maintenance costs. District cooling is particularly beneficial in densely populated urban areas and hot climates, making it an ideal solution for large commercial, residential, and industrial development. And now I want to tell you about the background. District cooling is a smart and efficient way to cool buildings in modern cities. Instead of each building having its own cooling system, a central plant produces chilled water and sends it through underground pipes to many buildings. Inside each building, there is a unit called an energy transfer station (ETS). It uses a heat exchanger to transfer the cooling from the chilled water to the building without mixing the water. After cooling the building, the warmer water goes back to the central plant to be cooled again. The chilled water is sent out at 6 Celsius and come back at 30 Celsius. This system helps save energy, reduce pollution, and support green city development.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Khairi. My matrix number is 01DPU23F1004. Let's go through with my parts. My parts is origins, present and future status of district cooling. District cooling isn't a new concept. It goes all the way back to the Roman Empire, where buildings were cooled using a system called hypocaust. Even earlier priests in ancient Egypt used artificial incubators, and this idea was later used by G. della Porta to build incubators in Italy in 1588. The first known commercial district cooling system was set up in Lockport, New York in 1877. Within 10 years, about 50 more systems were built as the idea spread. District cooling came much later. It started in 1963 in Hartford, Connecticut, where natural gas was used to power air conditioning. This technology has been around for about 50 years.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ani Hazwan bin Abdul Malik and my matrix number is 10DPU23F1019. So, my point is district cooling concept. First, central cooling plant. Imagine this like a giant AC unit. It's make cool water instead of cooling each building separately. So after the central cooling pipe, it will go the primary loop, which is a blue pipe. You can see on the picture. So the function is the cool water flow from the central plant through underground pipe to each building, but instead of going directly into the building system, it first passes through a heat exchanger. So heat exchanger is act like a safe hand-off point. It transfers the cool from the plant water to the building water system, but the two water never mix. It's like two hand touching through glass. After the heat exchanger, we have a secondary loop, which is a red pipe. You can see also at the picture. The building uses our internal system like a fan coil unit or handling unit to blow cold air inside using the chill water. It just go from the heat exchanger. And lastly is cycle repeat. After cooling the building, the warm water goes back to the heat exchanger and the loop keeps going. So the next point is benefit of district cooling in Malaysia. First of all, we have a more space. Since the cooling plant is located somewhere else, building can use their space for things like parking, shop and or office. Second, we have save money. It's cheaper to run one big efficient cooling system for many buildings that lots of small less efficient ones. And thirdly, we have easy for building owner. Building do not need to worry about installing or maintaining big cooling machine. They just connect to the system and get cool air. And lastly, we have useless energy. These systems are designed to run really efficiently, which cuts down on electric use and help the environment. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luqmanul Hakim bin Shahabuddin. Nombor matrik is 01 DPU 23F1024. So for today, our group will talk about district cooling, and my part is talk about concept thermal energy storage. First thing first, store it. The cool water is stored in a big insulated tanks like a giant cooler. Second, make a cool at night. The cooling plants make extra cool water at night when electric is cheaper. Third is using it during the day when the day get hot and everyone need air condition. The system use the storage cool water instead of the running of the chiller full blast. Conclusion for our group is district cooling is a higher efficiency and sustainable cooling solution that centralize that cooling process, reducing energy consumption and operation costs. By using chiller water distributed through a neck of a pipe, it eliminates the need for individual air conditioning system in the building, saving space and reducing maintenance. The system provides significant environment benefit by lowering electricity demand and reducing greenhouse gas emission. It can also integrate with renewable energy costs, future exchange sustainability. Store unity costs can infrastructure requirement can be high. The long-term benefit, including efficiency and reduce environment impact, make it a value solution for modern city. Thank you.